Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you a really yummy and delicious recipe. So I'll be doing oven grilled fish and potatoes. This recipe is so easy but gives you the most delicious oven grilled fish with that potato. The fish cooks beautifully inside out. You get that crusted golden finish on your fish and you just want to dive in and you can't have enough of that fish, trust me. So I'm going to start by preparing my fish marinade. I start by blending all the vegetables I'll be using for this marinade. Once the vegetable is blended, I put in all my seasoning and then I blend everything together. Once I finish preparing my marinade, I set aside and I go ahead to wash my Irish potatoes thoroughly using a sponge and running water. So once my potatoes are clean, I get on my chopping board and I just want to chop them like this, not so thin. And once I'm done chopping them up, I put in a bowl. I put in half teaspoon of salt and I want to generously add in that marinade I just prepared and I give everything a good mix. So I've already scaled my fish and taken out the gut and it's clean and ready to go. So I get my baking tray ready, and by ready I mean washing it and getting some of the marinade all over it. Then I spice my fish generously. You want the spice to get all the way to the core of your fish, so I ensure that I'm really generous with that marinade. Once I'm done marinating my fish, I get the potatoes in my baking tray. Once we have everything in our baking tray, we go ahead to pop this in the oven. And guys, this is a process and this is how I went about it to achieve that gorgeous golden crust on my fish and that delicious moist interior. So firstly, you want to grill for about 30 minutes on medium heat. After about 30 minutes, you want to take out your baking tray, rub in some extra marinade and cover with aluminum foil and let it bake again for about 20 minutes. Finally, you want to take off the aluminum foil, brush in some melted butter and water and let it boil for about 15 minutes. Once this is done, my fish is ready. My potatoes look so yummy. Guys, you can see how delicious this looks. The fish is cooked beautifully. It has that gorgeous golden brown crusted finish. I just want to dive in. The potato just melts in my mouth. It is cooked beautifully on the inside. You can see how moist it looks. It smells amazing. It's so flavorful. You have to try this and it's really delicious. This recipe is really easy and you have a really delicious oven grilled fish. I hope you try it out. Leave your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Stay tuned. Bye.